In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Beehiiv domain in just 5 minutes. If you're ready, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Beehiiv website. This platform is a great tool for creators who are looking to grow their newsletters and reach a wider audience. Once you are there, the next thing you'll do is click on the login button. You'll find this option easily accessible on the homepage, so it should be straightforward to spot. After clicking on login, the next step you'll take is signing in with your Google account. This option should be right there on the login page. Sign-ins via Google are not only convenient but also add an extra layer of security to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Moving on, you want to click on Settings. This section is crucial because it contains all the configurations for your publications. You'll find the settings option either in a menu on the top of the page or perhaps on a sidebar depending on the layout you're using. After opening the settings, look for the option called Domains. Click on it. The Domains section is where you can manage anything relating to your web URLs, which is exactly what we need to focus on today. The Domains tab might be nestled within other publication settings, so keep an eye out for it. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Edit under the Web URL section. This is your gateway to changing your current domain. Clicking Edit will allow you to type in a new domain name or adjust the URL currently associated with your publication. Take a moment here to ensure that the domain you want to switch to is available and suitable for your audience. Now type in your desired domain. This is the address your audience will use to find your content, so choose wisely. Make it memorable and aligned with your brand. It's the virtual real estate of your newsletter, so give it the consideration it deserves. Finally, don't forget to click on the Confirm button once you've entered your new domain. This action saves the changes you've made, so your new domain is live and ready to use. It's important to double check that everything is correct before you click Confirm. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully changed your Beehiiv domain. This process is straightforward and can make a significant difference in how your audience finds and interacts with your content. Thanks for staying with me through this tutorial, and I hope it helps you as you continue to grow your presence online. Remember, if you run into any issues, Beehiiv's support team is always there to help. Happy publishing!